All right, so special thanks to this company for sending me a set of their pineapple pins. Nothing really on the box, just some pins here to show you. So let's open this one on up, and we got 4 pins down in here. And they all are, oh, look at that. And that's it for the box. So we have a couple different colors here, and then these are all of the ink caplets. So it seems that you would slide this out. Very shiny, nice, I like it. And then unscrew it. And so it's already got a cap on it. Let's see if it actually, wow, very nice. Oh, wow. Okay. So, very nice pins, and they give you a full set of refills. So, I mean, you've got literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 refills here for these. And so, I mean, that's pretty amazing. Just a little twist brings out your pin, twist brings it back, and you can see how they have the little pineapples on top. Take all of them out here. So there we go. The pineapple pins unboxing. Very nice. Writes very smooth from what I can see. I genuinely like these. So very cool. That'll do it for the pineapple pins unboxing.